Hello, welcome back to some Gmod, and today we are doing for train enthusiasts, we are going to be on a train. Okay, so there's two different ones. One set of the day, we're doing the day one at the moment, and one set at night. So we're currently doing the day one at the moment, but then we will, but I've also decided to include the night one as well in this video. So yeah, they say, I think this one is said to be set in Eastern Europe or outback Russia in an alpine. I don't know much about that. I was getting stuck there. Yeah, so basically we're going to be outside the store here. I'm going to stand here and be trained up. Oh, there's a train. No! See me? Give me a wave. Nah, it's not waving. There's no one in there anyway. Go big as that. I didn't notice that, but I thought it was about someone driving the train. But as soon as I look back on the night video, I noticed there was no one on the train. So yesterday we did buses, but today we're doing trains. Nice little train horn, and it's giving me some nice scenery. Now I said horn instead of horn then. Oh, what's going into me? Nice signals, but I don't think it's ideal for pilots to be that close to the railway line. It's like travelling on the motorway rather than in the sky and all that, and the trees and the cliffs. But I don't think it's safe to have pylons right next to the train. It's like driving on the motorway rather than being on the train track with all the pylons there. It's nice to have some water towers and all that. Very nice scenery, but the pylons are a little bit worrying. Shouldn't be that close to the railway line, or the train line, or whatever you want to call it. Oh no, I do derail a train there. Look, there you go, see? Water tower, just like I told you. But that train we just saw, was it the... that pylon looked like it was going to fall down. Oh, that was dangerous. As I was saying, oh, the factory there. As I was saying, I wonder if that was the same train we saw at the beginning. I don't know if it was. No, we don't know yet. Okay, this sucks, that's a bit disconcerting. Am I gonna get in the front trailer? Okay, for some reason we can't seem to get in the carriage. Very... that sucks. It would have been cool and nice anyway. You have seen me traveling things before, like a few days ago, car and a bus. Well, I played around with the bus, and then yesterday I drove a desert bus, and it wasn't, and we managed to get on the road, but it wasn't for very long. It crashed like after 45 seconds. I didn't crash, it was more like a flat tire that sunk like knee/half deep into the sand. So I think that's what the cause was. Didn't sound very good, and then all of a sudden it just did. Anyway, I'm going to show you the night map now, so I'll show you that now. Okay, here we are. The night map is still the same train, just different to the one we've seen before. The only difference is lights are on and a bit more dark. So blue sky before, like a nice winter sky. Now look at it. All murky, dark and grey. It looks really foggy as well. Hopefully the trains can see well. And yeah. Snow. If you're trying to reference something to me, then you think I'm guessing what I'm thinking. The sky kind of reminds me of the network terminal from Sonic Forces, if that's what you're implying. Yes, it does kind of remind me of that sky in the night. Oh, there's a train. It's very light now. That was the only time I actually realised that there was no driver in there. That looks like a house with a train though, even now at the start of the video I may notice it's all hospital boys, but the reason why I didn't upload the video on that is because, well, it was really dark, you won't be able to see a thing. If I couldn't see a thing, then you couldn't either. But basically that's all it was. But yeah, that reminds me of Train Sim World. Main location it would probably remind me of would probably be Germany, because it looks very German with the DB where you have like the main Spacer barn and the Sig or whatever. I'm really good at German, but I'll try and practice it. Yeah, but I think this is set around Eastern Europe or an outback Alpine Russia. Yeah, I don't know what these things are, but that's the way things go, I guess. So I'm going to conclude it here, so I'd like to say thank you for watching.